Hello and welcome back to my channel where we document my adventure, discuss all the fun stuff about getting outdoors, look at some of the outdoor gear and subscription boxes around that, and just talk about how we enjoy Mother Earth. Today we have another Nomadik subscription box to unbox for you. Let's take a look at what's inside. Like always, we're going to open this up and look to see if there is a card. And there is. So, this is Backcountry Built. Every month, you'll get a card that will give you more information about what's inside, give you some tips related to the theme of the box, offer a challenge, highlight some gear in their shop, as well as offer some brand discounts. So, saw some of the first thing on the top of the box, and this is something I don't think I've ever gone into the backcountry without, especially if I'm actually backpacking, and that is tenacious tape repair tape. This stuff is bomb proof. It is great for patching tears, fixing equipment. Do be mindful that whatever you put on, it's not coming off. Instructions are you clean your surface real well, you cut the patch to make sure that it's going to be right where you want it, apply pressure from the center out, and then put the tape in a bag after you are done. A quick tip that they say is for larger repairs, apply the patch to both sides. This ultra strong tape has saved me many times in the backcountry from having to bail out. And in some of the cases, it is still there years later. So, it quickly fixes tents, tent stakes, ski pants, puffy coats. It is 100% waterproof. Once you apply it, if you're going to stick it in your washing machine, they do say to let it cure for 24 hours. That means let it dry for a full day before you try and wash it, because that might be its only Achilles heel. So, the next thing is another thing that I find to be pretty bomb proof, and that's the Yuko Stormproof matches. Whether you're firing up the grill, lighting your lantern, starting a campfire or camp stove, or just doing something quick where you need to get flame, doesn't matter what the weather are, these matches light up quickly and consistently in the rain, wind, snow, even after being submerged in water. I promise you, when I test these out for you guys, I'll check that. These matches burn up for 15 seconds without needing extra strikes. They are a total of 6 minutes worth of matches in this box, as they say there are 25 of them. So I can't wait to do some more testing on this product. I got these in another box as well, so I will have plenty for my trail test. Next thing I see inside is Loud and Crunchy. And this is they call it Piranha. See if you can see. So this is, what do they call it? It's a knotless rope tie tool. It allows you to bind rope or create a rope end without needing to tie a knot. Simply weave it through the fish bone tools, and it will prevent the rope from slipping in any direction. This can be helpful if you are trying to shorten a rope that's too long, or just trying to quickly find a way to put up a temporary clothesline or ridgeline somewhere. So it obviously comes with some rope as well as this fishbone design And it's got a key ring so that you can go ahead and attach it to your pack so you don't have to just have it with this rope. It'll be something I will try. Don't know how much I would use it. It does not feel very light, so we will see. As always, we've got another pneumatic sticker, and I don't think I have this design, which is really cool, because who doesn't like putting stickers on their gear? And the last thing in this month's box, oh, if I can get it out, is a Frog Co. pop-up solar pocket light. This versatile light is not only great for camping, but also doubles as an essential tool. It has a multifunction LED light that also becomes a lantern when you pop it up. It collapses down to pocket size, which makes it perfect for backpacking, camping, or fishing. You can charge it via solar or its onboard USB port. It has 4 different light models, is durable, waterproof, and gives you 3 to 6 hours of continuous light based on the light setting you choose. Just in case of emergencies, you can also plug it into your phone to give it a little bit more power. So you can also, I guess, use it as a USB power bank. So um, probably not super efficient to use it as a way to charge your phone, but in a split-second emergency, it definitely would give you that added little boost to make a call to 911. So it says it features an easy twist to open closure. It uses as a lantern when open. It's got a focus light on the bottom for flashlights. You can partially charge a phone. Includes the micro USB cord. Charges with solar. So this is another one of those things where we will see how it performs once I get it out at camp. Looking forward to it. To recap, we have a Frog & Co. pop-up solar pocket light, the Piranha Fishbone 2.0 knotless rope tool, the Tenacious Tape repair tape, and an Uco stormproof match set. So as always, I will have reviews out on these individual products in the coming months. If you have any specific questions or things you would like me to test, please leave those in the comments below. So like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I post more content like this. If this subscription box interests you, don't forget you can always check out more information or sign up at thenomadik.com, or reach out and ask them questions about a box, their service, or gear included at The Nomadik on all social media. So, until next time, get outside, enjoy the trail, look at this beautiful wide world and do something in it, and look forward to seeing you out there.